Hello friends, I welcome you from my kitchen. Festive season is around. In the prevailing situation, it is better to make sweets, mithais or cookies at home instead of buying them from the market. I am addicted to homemade cookies. This time I have tried another variation in the cookies. These are sorghum and oat cookies. So here we go. Take 125 grams of unsalted butter and keep it at room temperature. If it is kept in the fridge, please take it out and allow it to come to the room temperature. I have taken half cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar imparts a unique flavor to the cookies. Now I have taken sorghum flour or jowar ka atta, the quantity of which is 1 cup. I am putting this in another bowl. Now I am taking 1 cup oats powder and mixing in the sorghum flour or jowar ka atta. I am adding a pinch of salt to this dry flour mixture and also half teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda each. I have made oats powder from oats flakes. Mix all these thoroughly so that all the ingredients are mixed properly. Now I am beating sugar and butter mixture with electric hand mixer. I beat it for 4-5 minutes and see the color has changed to light color. I am transferring this to a bigger bowl. And I will be now adding the flours, sorghum and oats in batches. Initially I will mix them with spatula. I will gather the mass and give few punches to it, very light punches. Adding in batches makes the mixing easier. It has acquired a crumble type texture. I will be adding now some milk to it. I have added 4 tablespoons of milk, but gradually, not in one go. Sorghum flour has the tendency to absorb more liquid. Now I have made a kind of dough, and now I will be making balls from this. Take a portion from it and flatten this in between your palms and give round shape. You can even use the cutter. Initially give a firm press to the mixture and then flatten. Now all my cookies are ready to bake. I have thought of giving some designs or leaving some impressions on it with the help of fork or a cutter. Slightly press the tines of fork and it gives a beautiful impression. Meanwhile, I have kept my oven for preheating for 15 minutes. I have etched a flower with the help of a cutter. I have kept these on a silicone sheet, and this silicone sheet will be placed in the baking tray in the oven. There is no need to grease the silicone sheet. I have kept the oven now for 35 minutes at 180 degree. I have rolled now another batch of cookies and now I am giving impressions with the help of knife. I have garnished some cookies with pine nuts. This is the first batch being baked. I made 12 cookies from the first lot. The cookies have been baked so perfectly. The aroma of freshly baked cookies is just heavenly. Take out the cookies and keep them for cooling and put the another lot for baking. Second lot I have kept for 25 minutes as the cookies are smaller than the earlier. I hope you have liked the recipe. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you next time with another recipe. Cook healthy, cook at home, stay happy. Goodbye. Thank you.